Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, then I'm Britney-Louise. Nice to meet you. This is me shaking your hand. Nice to meet you. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So we got that out the way. Okay, so today I am going to show you guys how to get this beautiful, fabulous look using MAC times Patrick collaboration, his spring 18 collection. And I hope you guys stick around to see how I created this fantastic look. I used everything in this kit. Before we get started, I am going to ask you to subscribe to my channel so that I can get to know you guys more. You guys can get to know me more, and you can always know when I upload a look. Welcome to the family. After everything, make sure you like, make sure that you share this video with anyone else who would love a bold, sexy, sassy look like this. Let's get started. Ooh, beautiful. This is the Miso Fleek face kit that I got. Oh, this is cute. So it comes with this cute little face chart in here. So it kind of gives you an idea what you can do with that palette. Spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy. Love, Patrick Starrr. That is just so cute and so sweet. This is the palette. The packaging is so cute. I love the flowers everywhere. And so let me show you swatches of that in Living Pink. The next one is All Rosy, Hickey in the Shadows. So you get a beautiful lip gloss also in this packaging, and you get a retro matte lipstick. Okay, so for $49.50, this is already amazing. And I haven't even gotten to the powders yet. So let me swatch these for you. Hey Boy Hey and Queen P. And then, so the last thing that you have in this packaging is the Take Home Powder Blush Duo. That's what that looks like. And I will swatch that as well. And this here is the Take Home Duo Blush Palette. So just a reminder, for $49.50 in one face kit, you get a 4-pan palette, you get a duo blush powder set, and you get a retro matte lipstick and a lip gloss. That's an amazing deal. I did not get the Miso Chic palette because I was just drawn to Miso Fleek first, and if I had to choose one or the other, I went with Miso Fleek because that blue is immaculate and I cannot wait to play with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what I want to do with my eyes, and then I'm going to come back on camera and show you exactly what I did. Okay guys, so I am back. I have one eye done, and I decided to do a cut crease. I used every single color, so I'll show you exactly what I did. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my concealer and dust some finishing powder over my eye, like so. So the first color I'm going to dip into is the All's Rosy. I'm just going to put it into my crease, follow the shape of my crease out into a wing. I'm gonna take a thicker pencil brush and I'm just outlining my crease and filling it in and deepening it as much as I can. Next, I'm going to go back in with my concealer flathead brush, and I'm going to dip back into my concealer, and I'm using just a concealer from MAC's Conceal and Correct palette. I'm just going in and I'm going to shape my crease, and you want to try to make this as even as possible. So as long as you got a steady hand, this is a piece of cake, right? Now I'm going to take my MAC 247 flathead eyeshadow brush, and I am going to dip it into the color Hickey. I'm just going to take it all the way up where it meets the crease. I just packed on the color to my desired intensity. I love MAC synthetic brushes. They are just the bomb when it comes to placing eyeshadow pigment. She popping, she is popping. I'm using MAC's eyeliner pencil in Feline. And I'm just tight lining in my waterline. So it's totally okay if it's not perfect here, because again, we're gonna clean all this up in the end. So I'm going to take a finer eyeliner brush and I'm just going to dip into in the shadows in that blue, and I'm just gonna go over my black pencil. Taking that blue and going over the black eyeliner just intensifies that blue even more, and that is why I did that. And when I have excess fallout, I just take my powder brush, dip into the powder, and just whisk it away. So now I'm gonna dip back into in the shadows and just take care of my bottom lashes. And just blend that out like so. Do my lashes, the Nicole Guerrero times Eyelure collab, and place them on my eyes. So all I'm doing is taking my falsies, placing them on my natural lash line, and then I'm going back in with my Clinique mascara to blend my falsies in with my natural lashes. Now that I have my lashes on, I'm just going to go in and clean up some. I'm just going to drag in the shadows out some more, just smoke it out just a tad bit more. I'm gonna dip into the last color here as my highlight in Living Pink and put it in the corner of my eyes till I get that desired highlight that I want. And I kind of go up into my crease with my little inner highlight. It just looks better to me. And then I think I'm going to do a little bit underneath my brow. Yeah, I like that a lot better. It livens it up. I'm just going to go in and use the powder for my face. And I think since I don't necessarily have a highlight right now that I can use, I think I'm just going to play with Living Pink a little bit more as a highlight so you can see it even more on my face, on my skin, because I think it would be a really pretty rosy pink highlight on the face. So let's do that. I'm just gonna swirl this bad boy and just see how it shows up, if it's gonna show up. Okay, it's nice. It's a nice little pink. It's like really pink. This is actually really pretty. So I'm just going to take my brush here and just see what it's looking like. It's so pretty. Oh yeah, you can see it even better now. Open this palette just to use this as a highlight. It is so pretty. Last but not least, the lippies. So I'm taking Hey Boy Hey, and I'm just going to place it on my lips like so. So that is Hey Boy Hey by itself. I could take this color from spring to summer to fall. Now I'm going to top it with Queen P, and this is just gorgeous by itself. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys love it. I did not take my hair down because right now my hair is going through all types of trials and tribulations. So I decided to put some fabulous earrings on. I love these. I got these at Target. I hope that it meets your standards of fabulous, because it definitely meets mine. I hope that I encourage you to go out and at least grab the Miso Fleek. The spring collection is fantastic, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.